Good morning. It is Thursday, March the 16th, and Terry and I are headed out of the campsite we had last night at Catavina. We boondocked. All went well. It was just a one-nighter. Sorry, I'm bouncing around because we're on a very, very dirty road and bouncy road. Today we are headed to Guerrero Negro, 127 miles to go, with a break, a gas stop, and a lunch stop before we get there. And then we'll have dinner there at the restaurant. And the parking is going to be interesting because they said we have to go in as size. We're not the biggest, so we'll get in before the big boys will. So here is the video for today. Hope you enjoy it.
They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown, but I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind, I like the way it feels, no need to set off the alarm. No, see, I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh,
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want.
We have arrived at Guerrero Negro, the RV park. I don't know the name right now. And this is the lineup of the smaller rigs. We are right there. We're all pretty tight between our slides and our doors. They've got another one there that a small one's gonna go into. So they're parking the big rigs more in the back. They got the two fifth wheels there. And we got the A's coming up. We still got 2 or 3 more of them to park. Peg is parking her Class A. Luckily, she's shorter than a lot of the Class A's we have here, but she's not real experienced, but doing well. In the meantime, Fantasy 8 is being parked. Jeff is putting in another big one. Last rig in. I think we are all finally parked. There's the 2 big A's. We've got some B's and C's. You can see Terry and I right about there. And we've got some Class A's here. The larger Class C here. And the Lance travel trailer. And there are all these big, huge Class A's. All the Class A's here and the 2 fifth wheels down there. We're all in and parked. Here's what it looks like from the other end. We're all parked. John is always face bombing my pictures, so I'm getting him parking. That's a tight back turn. This is how Steve arranges his blocks for leveling. Very cool. We didn't quite do that on ours, but it's all right. He's resetting all his blocks. He pulled forward a little bit.
Are you going to go back,
Just enough to get those under there. And then he's going to go back. And he's going to back up on him. Good job. Here is the shower building and restroom for the RV park. Okay, these are the showers for this RV park. It looks pretty nice, actually.
Just pay for it? Nope. Okay.
And then there's the sink and the shower. And because we're in the RV park, we don't have to pay anymore for it. Here's the restroom. It could be used a little cleaning, but it's not bad. Sink and a toilet. Guess that's all we need. We are here at the hotel and restaurant and RV park, established in 1974. There's a little building. They have a whale fountain here. We'll be here for 3 nights, and we will do our whale petting excursions from here. Hi there, it's Lonnie with Crafty Traveler, and we made it to Guerrero Negro. So on the way to Guerrero Negro today, we saw lots of nice scenery, big rocks and lots of cactus. We went through a military checkpoint, but they didn't stop any of us. They just waved us through. So we were good with that. We had lunch breaks and other breaks, and then getting here to this RV park, just had a couple of cocktails, beer, and we're getting ready to go to dinner. I will post a few pictures from dinner. We're at the restaurant and we're getting drinks, and this is where they have us set up to eat our dinner tonight. And we're looking at the murals on the wall. Isn't that pretty? The sea. This is on the sidewall. Good. Here's my chicken dinner. Looks like beans and rice and chicken and relishes. Looks good. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Have a good night.